Should be
Okay, I see it now. Measurement.
okay.
Tutoring, grade 6.
Oh, we have two homework here as well. We have two homework. Did you do it?
No thanks.
Okay, let's do it quickly, and we need to finish.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Hear me out. Hear me out.
Okay, because we also need to.
Everything is filled out except for one line because I couldn't understand it. Hear me out, okay?
Okay, okay. Oh,
Oh my god, 100% sure. I'm 100% sure I'm wrong, but that at least that means I can learn more.
3.
Keep the key.
Wow, my internet is so slow. Oh, you already did it. So, this, okay, let's do this equal to, according to your answer, 431.1 equal to 1725 fluid out. Sorry. Fluid out is 2315. And this is, wait, this is, don't know, okay, this is no result. This is
Yeah.
2.3 pint, and gallon is, okay, gallon is 11.1 gallons, okay. So why this is no result? Because, okay, let's figure it out. Now, first of all, pint, sorry, pint to gallons. So pint to gallon is, how do we convert from pints to gallons?
In capacity.
Yeah, in a capacity. Your homework. How did you convert from 345 pints to gallons?
Well, first of all,
First of all,
let me find this. First of all,
mm-hmm.
um,
Now do you convert
it's
345
pints to gallons, right?
yeah, pint to gallon. Pint
Pints is smaller than gallons, so it's small to big. So I divided.
divided, okay, correct. Divided, but the result seems not okay. But divided,
Multiply.
divided is a correct answer. And then how do we
But
divide? How do we divide?
pints to gallons.
Yeah,
Divide 245 by six.
345 by
By actually,
45 by divide by.
oh no, actually, I started off pints and I started by converting 345 pints to fluid ounces. So
Oh, you start converting here to first.
was that wrong?
Correct, because pint to fluid out, we only have the reference pint to fluid out. Okay,
Yeah.
now good track. So we convert pint to fluid ounce. Since pint is bigger, so we multiply. Okay,
Yeah, multiply.
okay. So multiply, we multiply 345 multiply by 16.
16.
16. So 605, 30, 0, 3, 6 times 4, 24, 25, 26, 27. And 6 times 3 is 18. 1920. 20. Now 1 times 5. We don't need to do multiplication. Just copy it here. And 0, 2, 5, and 5. Oh, what? Oh, wow. This is.
Show off.
So this is 5,000, not 2,000. Is it correct? What did you calculate? Like, okay, this
I don't know.
one with the.
The problem is I did it on a paper full of equations, so the whole paper looks
Oh,
like that.
so my answer is correct. So maybe what's wrong? I don't know. Okay, so this is 5,550, 5,550 fluid out. Now we have fluid out. What's
Nine.
next? What should we convert here or here? To pint or to gallon? We have fluid ounce as a reference and also have pint.
Quarts
To fluid ounce to
to
quart.
quarts.
Now from what to quarts?
Huh?
From what to quarts? Actually, we have.
Quarts to gallons. Full ounce to quarts. Quarts
Okay.
to gallons.
Okay. Now, just a moment ago, we convert from pints to fluid ounce. So this is a reference. This is a
Yeah.
reference. Now you say we will convert. The next step is convert to quarts, right? So we use the fluid out or the pints to convert quarts. We use pint or fluid out to convert to flow to quarts.
Pints.
Pint, yes, because we have
We have the measurement.
no, okay.
The
The reference. The reference only quart to pint. So the relationship only between quart to pint. So we can convert from pint to quart by
by
from,
two.
yeah, from pint to quart by multiplication or the
Oh,
division.
the steps. Oh, multiplication.
From
Wait,
small
small to big, right?
high multiplication. Okay, okay. From small to high units, so
Oh,
multiplication.
small to big is division. But I did multiplication. No, no. So we
So
divide 300
345
by two.
divide by 2, right? Divide by 2 is okay. So first of all is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. We have 1. We drop the 4 and it is 7. 7 times 2, 14. Add a 0 and drop the 5. We have 2 more. 2 times 2 is 4 and we have 1. Then what's next?
Do we put a decimal on the
Decimal
quotient?
and the quotient and 0 here, right?
Yeah.
And then last one is 5. 5 times 2, 10. And okay.
Oh, I got it right for that one. Yeah.
Mm. Oh, but where is the decimal? Wait, did you write the decimal? Oh, the decimal. Do you have decimal in the answer? It's look like
I think.
okay. It's
Do you see it? It's like near the five.
okay. Okay, it's very near the 5, but it's look like no decimal. Okay. Okay.
Oh, my teacher would definitely give me like take the
Sure.
point off.
Okay. So yeah, sometimes you got the right answer, so right, it's understandable. Okay,
Okay.
like this maybe 1,725. So wrong. Okay, so now we have these as the reference to convert. Now we have pint, quarts, and fluid ounce. So to convert to gallons, we use what
We quarts
quart to gallons,
gallons.
and by multiplication or divisions.
Quarts to gallons, small to big, so we divide.
Divide, yes. So we divide to 172.5 divide by
Divide by 4.
4, yes. When okay, so when 172.5 divided by 4, first of all, when we divide, let's not care about the decimal first, and then when it's come to the result, we will think about the decimal back. So let's do 1725 divided by 4. So,
Subtract 18.
mhm. So we have two digits. 4 times 4, 16. Okay, we have 1 and 2 here. So 3. Okay, it's a good track. So 3 times 4, 12. We have 0. We drop the 5s. And we have 1. Okay, 1. 1 times 4 is 4. We have 1 again. And we put one decimal, give 0. And we have 2, right? 2 times 4 is 8, and then still have 2, and so on. Oh, your answer is almost correct. So it's equal to 431.2, but but the point is, we have one digit after the decimal here.
Uh huh.
So how do we do? We shift
So
the decimal by one
one
digit.
the one,
So the answer is 43.12.
3.12.
Yes, 112. Oh, it's like almost correct, almost correct. I think it's very difficult to give you the grade, like, but this is not correct, but almost correct. So some
Would I get like half a point for that?
proper point for that is 0.
I've gone like things like 0.66 or 0.25 on a grade before, like 66.25 or like 77.44.
Mhm. But from the perspective on of the person who correct this is, even they understand that, oh, you may did it by mistake, but it's already a mistake, right? It's already a mistake, so no point giving.
No, it's on computer. They already have answers
Oh,
in. So
if
like
it's,
sometimes
yeah.
like you have the right answer, but you put like, for example, it asks for the exponent, right?
Hmm.
And you're like, oh, it's 9 times 9 times 9, but you put 9 to the power of 3. Sometimes they'll get you wrong for that because they're only asking for the exponent, not the base.
Yes, okay. So if it corrects by the computer, okay, definitely. If you make even a little mistake, it's wrong.
Yeah.
So they don't give any marks. But they don't give the computer don't give any marks. Okay, so next one is 45 quart to fluid ounce to pint to gallons. How do we do it?
Quarts to pints first.
Quarts to pint first. Okay, fluid. Oh no, quarts to pint is
Multiply
multiply. So 45 multiply, but the number seems not. Okay, 45 times
times 4 times 2.
times 2, meaning 2 times 5 is 0, 1, 9. So Result is
90.
90. Result is 90. Okay. Now we have pints. Can we find the gallons? Okay, let's do gallon first.
Oh, my bad.
Now, pint to gallons.
Mm, Isn't it pints to fluid ounce?
So, okay, so this you don't have the answer, and this you have the answer. So let's check what you have the answer first. So to convert to gallons, when we already have quart and pints, we convert from
Quarts to pints? Did
quart,
you say
quart to pint. We already did it, which is 90 pint, right? Now we want to know gallons. So in order to convert to gallon, we use the
quarts?
oh as a reference. Okay, so we take 45 divide right, from
Divided by 4.
divide by 4. Okay, divide by 4. So we have 1. Okay, maybe 1 says 4. 0, we have 5. So 1 again. 4. We have 1. So 1 decimal 0. We have oh, almost a correct again. 2.
Oh,
Yes, this 2. This is should be 2. If you take one decimal after the digit, it's 2. But normally we do two digits after the decimal. So we have another 0, so 5. So it should be 11, correct? But point 25.
what?
11.25. So, oof, so it's almost correct too. Now, we also need to find fluid out. Why cannot be found? Why this result cannot be found? Why cannot be found? Now, when we have the quarts, pint, and gallons, to convert to fluid ion, what do we need to convert it from or use the reference?
Pints?
Pint, yes. Now we already know the pint, right? Which is 90 pint. So to convert to fluid ounce,
Fluid ounce to pint.
yeah,
Fluid ounce is bigger, so we divide. No,
no, no.
multiply.
From pint to fluid ounce, right? Now we have the pint. So we need to convert
Oh,
from
it's small to big, so we divide.
big to small. Big to small. From pint to
Oh
fluid
yeah,
ounce.
I was
It's
right. I
from
was right before.
okay. So from big to small we multiply. So 90 multiplied by 16 is equal to okay 0. 6 times 9 is
54.
54 and we have 0 9
14,000. 1,000.
0 4 4 1. So 1,440
40.
fluid. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so now we have done and we can convert from metric to metrics, imperial to imperials, meaning that we can live in Cambodia and also we can live in America. But
We cannot live in America. Nobody likes me. Nobody likes
no, no,
America.
but we can measure, like we can convert from imperial to imperial, so we can somehow live in America, stay in America. But if you cross the country from America to Cambodia,
But they're different continents.
yeah, it's different continent. So you need another things to learn is to convert from. Matrix to
Ma-
interior, right?
oh, yeah.
Yeah, that is the other point. It's cross systems.
And miles to kilometers.
Yes, something like miles to kilometer. Now we can understand like from miles to their, their imperial systems, from mile to yard, from mile to feet, something like that. But from miles to kilometer is something new. Okay, so matrix. Let's do the first one we do is the length. Okay, so we
You
got,
want, is this the last one?
yeah, this is the last one.
Thank you.
Matrix to imperials. Now it's cross system. So cross system is we also need to remember anyway because it's not we don't have any logics or we don't have any reference. 1 kilometer is about 0.621 miles. See, it's very difficult to remember, even though like we need to check the reference. 1 meter equal to 1.094 yards. Oh my god, yards. And 1 meter again also equal to 3.28 feet. Mhm. 1 centimeter equal to 0.3494 inches. Oh god, inches. That's why we need to remember this. This is needed to remember. Mhm. So 1 kilometer is about 0.6 miles, or to be accurate, 0.621 miles. 1 meter is about 1.095 yards. 1 meter again equal 3 feet. Sometimes people just do approximate like a 1 meter,
Oh, like
3 feet.
estimating?
Yeah, 1 meter is 3 feet. 1 kilometer is 0.6 miles, but it's not accurate. The accurate is 1 kilometer is 0.621 miles.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So which one, the one that would be easier, would it be like the estimating one?
The it's depend if you want to give the accurate answer. If you want to give the accurate answer is this. If
Okay.
you estimate for the bigger
Would it be
this
like one of those numbers are like close?
uh,
Like close but not exact.
when yeah close is not exact because it's approximate, but if the distance is high, like if it's if it's 1,000 kilometer, these 21 is will be changed a lot. If it about 2 kilometer, it will be, if to be accurate is about, let's say, 0.621, two time is about 1.242, meaning 1.242. But if you do approximate, it's about 1.2. So the difference is not very big. But if these conversion from bigger distance, it will change a lot. The assumptions of the unit will be changed a lot. So then you may need to use it more accurate. So okay. So maybe we already understand some of that. So let's just do one example, isn't it? I think so. Let's convert from 32 kilometer to miles. Simple, simple, simple. And 21 and 21 meter to yard. Okay. So in order to convert kilometer to miles is we now we know 1 kilometer is 0.621 miles.
Yeah.
So 32 kilometer equal to how many miles?
Do we
We need to do the
multiplication?
multiplication. Yes, multiplication. So 32 32 times 0.21 3.621. So first of all, we don't care about the decimal first. Okay, so 2 times 1 times 2 is what? Yeah, 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times
Oh, you didn't respond? My bad.
yeah, 1 times 3 is 3.
3,
2 times 2 is
4,
4. 2 times 3 is
6,
6. 6 times 2 is
6 and 12.
12. We have 1. 6 times 3 is
6 times 3?
yeah
18.
18. Eight- 18 plus 1
18 plus what? 19.
19. Okay, so we have 2 sevens 8 9 1. And okay, this is the result, but we have 3 digits after the decimal. So we shift 1, 2, 3 here. So meaning that 32 kilometer equal to 19,
19,873.
but we have one decimal here, so it's equal to 19,872. Wow, yes, to be accurate. If we do the assumptions approximate, we only multiply by zero point 0.6. Result may not be changed a lot because it's still a small distance. Right? It's still a small distance.
Yeah.
Mhm. Now, for the meter to yard is meter to yard. 1 meter
Oh,
equal to 1.095 yards. So 21 meter equal to
do we divide?
now. For example, 2 meter equal to can you guess 1 meter equal to 1.095 yard. 2 meter equal to
2?
two
Do,
time right. 2 times
yeah.
1.095 yard. From this, do you think we multiply or divide?
Multiply?
Multiply, yes, multiply. So, okay. So, in order to convert from meter to yards, we
1.095 times 21.
time 21, correct. So, we multiply. So, 21 times 1.095. 5 times 1, 5.
Oh, 5.
Yeah, 5 times 2,
10.
10. 9 times 1,
9 times 1? 9.
9. Yes, 9 times 2,
18.
18. So 8, 1. How about 0? If we have 0 at here, should we multiply?
No.
No, right? We can, but it will be 0, 0, 0. So just skip that part and then it's come to 1 here. The next one, 1. we start from this or start from here? If you skip the zero,
Did I skip the zero? Yeah.
so we start from here or start from here? We know that when multiplication we shift by one unit, 1 unit.
I did it completely different than you.
Oh, how did you do? Uh, did you
You know how you put 21 on top?
21 on top? Yes.
I put 21 on the bottom.
Ah, you put 21 on the bottom, and it's just two time, right? Two time, like one line, two line, and
Is that bad?
it's okay. Like it's either like a multiplication. We call it immutative, right? Immutative mean we can
Yeah.
flip or we can exchange them their place. Okay, so okay, let's finish this. So if you don't want to skip zero, let's do zero, like zero zero, and then one is one, two, and five, nine, nine, one, oh, two, two. Okay, so is this the answer?
Oh yeah, I got that answer.
But not yet the answer because we have decimal, right? We have three digits after the decimal. So looking back, it's
22.995.
okay. So it's equal to 22.995. So it's almost like 23. Okay, so I think soon we can understand how to convert this. So let's go quick because we already know how to convert from miles to minutes. It will be similar. If it's go from big to small, see, big to small, all way from big to small units, all way
Divide.
big to small, big to small.
This is small. Multiply.
Multiply small to big is
Divide.
divide. Yes, don't forget that. Oh, let's go first. After the length, we have mass. Oh, mass centuries got text here, and from matrix to matrix to imperials. Maybe I should have given you the other units because sometimes like it's quite difficult too because this is metric to imperial, but
Yeah.
you may need imperial to matrix. Right? So let me
Are they?
to you. We also need some time. This is we convert from kilometer to miles, but how can we convert from miles to kilometers? That is also the
Multiply.
question, right?
Yeah.
hmm Imperials. So I will just write it for you so that when you want to convert, just check it and convert by multiplications. Now,
Okay.
one mouse, one mouse equal to 1.609 kilometers. Mhm. And 1 yard is equal to 0.914 meter. 1 feet equal to 0.305 meter. Oh, oh. And 1 centimeter, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. And to convert is the same. For example, if we were asked to convert from mile to kilometer, let's say if we ask to convert from 32 miles to kilometer, how do we do?
So, mile to kilometer, right?
Yeah,
We
mile to kilometer.
multiply.
We multiply. Okay, just multiply by 1.609. Then you will
Yeah.
give the answer. Okay, let do it quick.
How do we know if we How do we know if we multiply or not? Metric to imperial metric.
Okay, if you use this table, meaning that it's from imperial to matrix, so always multiply because
So imperial.
this already given by imperial to matrix. So if you convert imperial to matrix, always meaning that it's from mile to kilometer, yards to meter, so always multiply.
What about metric to
Metric to
imperial?
imperial, use these table.
Okay.
Use the table. Okay, let's I give the colors here. Okay, this is metric to imperial. This is imperial to matrix here. Alright, mathematics imperial. So by converting these is multiplication, but we use this number, not this number. Okay, this number is from matrix to imperial. This number is from imperial to matrix. This is like given the hidden side. So if you use this, we only do the multiplication. So always do the multiplication. So might be easier, right? Do the
Okay.
multiplication is more easier than the division, of course. So next point is mass to imperials. By the way, in Cambodia today is actually like today it's starting to have the holiday. We call Chumban holiday. Maybe you have heard. Have you
Yeah,
heard?
I've heard about it.
Yeah,
It's about like,
It's called Chumban Festival, and we celebrate this kind of holiday. It's by going to pagoda and stuff.
isn't it something about like welcoming like ghosts or something? Or no?
Yeah, it's something involving in the spiritual stuff. It's just a belief that we need to go to pagoda as we are Buddhists. We need to go to pagoda, uh, do good deeds, send the food to the monks, and we praise to our ancestor. Like, oh, they receive the food we give and bring back good luck to us, something like this.
Yeah.
So, tomorrow I will be going to the pagoda, so we don't have class tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so I'll see you. No, we will finish this, but no class tomorrow, and then we will start again next week.
Yeah. I like with your tutoring. I also get like little like history lessons. It helps
Tutoring.
me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's like history involving. It's not like the math.
It makes me like it more because I pretty much hate math, but I love history. So
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
yeah,
Yeah.
if you keep like telling history more, then I just might start to like math.
Then yeah, then maybe you will concern like your mom will concern like, oh, you have tutorings the math, but the math score in class is still not improving, but improving the history or something like that. So
Yeah.
maybe
Well,
your
what
mom
about
will
history?
maybe your mom will curious like why you do tutoring of math but you improve history.
She's
This is
gonna
not
stand like
this is not make sense. Like, oh, why? I think there will be a lot of questions in her mind, like why? Okay, so um, okay, last point right here. Okay, once. Okay, this is mass. Mass is first of all we do the matrix to the imperials. 1 kilometer equal to 2.205 pounds. This is all need to be remembered, and it's quite challenging to remember.
But I don't want to remember.
Yeah. Okay. After finishing this, I will wrap it and send to you, and then you can check if you happen to convert from matrix to imperial, something like that. Text this note, and you can convert by just doing the multiplication. I will give the matrix to imperial and also imperial to matrix.
Okay.
So 1 kilometer is about 0.157 stone. Oh my god, stone. Once.
By the end of this lesson, I will now have 6 papers stapled together with also tiny little note cards stapled together. That is just one lesson. I hate this lesson.
Mm-hmm. No, it's okay. We need to study anyway. Okay, so okay, we have only here, as we know that the imperial we only have pound, stone, and ounce, right?
Yeah.
So 1 kilogram is equal to 2.205 pounds. 1 kilogram again is equal to 0.157 stones. 1 gram is equal to 0.0535 ounce. Something like this. So if you were happened to ask to convert from kilogram, let's say um, 20, like let's say like 12 kilogram to stone. Stone is not normally used, so let's do like pounds. Pounds. So to convert this 12 kilograms to pound is
12 kilograms to pounds.
yes.
We multiply?
Yeah, we multiply. Why your answer is still like mm, mm.
Because I don't know.
I give this both metric and imperial, metric to imperial and imperial to metric. So this table will help you to only multiply, right? It's not like a previous time. Previous time, you need to like think what's bigger, what's smaller, and then we need to big to small multiply, small to big divide, something like this. It's take it's not actually it's not very critical. We just remember big to small is multiply, small to big is divide, something like that. But somehow may take time. But here I will give you the both from matrix to imperial, so always multiplies. It's make things easier, make things a little bit easier. So always multiply. Here to convert 12 kilograms to pound, we
We multiply
we
12 by
multiply by
2.2.
2.205. It's equal to it's equal to
Hold up.
okay,
26,460.
26 something. Do we have decimal? I think we should have decimal.
Oh, shoot.
26 point
2.6.
2.6 or 26 point. Hmm.
No, it's 26
26 point, right? 26 point
point 460.
60. So 60. So zero is okay, no need. So 46,
Oh, 26.46.
46. So 26.46 pounds. So this is how you convert. And next is from imperial to matrix. From imperial to metric is imperial to metrics. So we convert from pounds to like it just a reverse. So 1 pound is so like 1 pound equal to 0.454 kilograms. Yes, and 1 ounce is equal to 28.35 grams.
One.
1 stone is equal to 6.35 kilograms. This is need to be remembered. To convert the same, let's do 10 pounds. Okay, like 10 pounds. Okay, 10 pounds to kilograms. How do you convert 10 pounds
10 pounds
to
multiplied by 0.454.
correct? So 10 times 0.454 0.454 equal to equal to
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. 0.4.
2
0.4540. Oh, no.
divide
No.
by 10
Zero. Divide
times time multiplies
0.454. Wait,
454
what?
times 10
Zero 04.540.
0. Wait, what is your answer? 0 5.
04.540.
Okay, that's correct. So what the trick is when we multiply by 10, just shift this decimal to here.
I know, but I thought I did it wrong. But
So
because I
it's
left the
4.54. Is it?
I left the space, but actually I never do that. Instead, I just put zero. I don't put spaces, but that's still correct.
Mhm.
You know what I'm talking about?
You know the space. What space?
You know how like when you multiply and like as a placeholder, you supposed I what, let me show you. It's like this space. You know what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
That one where it's like there's like a zero and you
Oh,
put
yeah, 0, 0, 0. And
yeah you do that, but I put a zero right. But then I was like, oh, why did I put a zero? So then I got confused. But then it was right anyway.
okay, so last one when mass, and then we have capacity, graphics, and okay, let's do metric to period, period to metrics. Okay, let's wait. Metric to imperial, we have okay. Metric to imperial, we have two. which is 1 millimeters. 1 millimeter equal to 0.0333814
How am I?
fluids ounce. This is how it equal to, and 1 liters. Okay, 1 liters. This is liter equal to 0.2. Oh my god. 64172 gallons.
My life would be so much easier if America just switched to metric.
Yeah. Okay, so this is just a note here. And for the imperial to matrix,
Huh?
imperial to matrix is okay. From imperial to metric, 1 fluid ounce. Let's say like 1 fluid ounce equal to 29.57 353. This is accurate.
What's up with these like huge, ridiculous, long numbers?
318. I admire them to figure this out. Oh, this is very genius. One
And I'm
point is equal to
and I admire myself for being able to put up with this capacity, comparial, metric, and volume stuff for so long.
4730 mLs. Okay, and 1 quart is equal to
Ooh.
352946 mLs, and the last one, 1 gallons is equal to 3.785411 sevens 84 milliliter. Okay.
No.
Okay. To convert, okay, let's do only one is enough, I think. More than enough. Let's convert, let's do it easy. 20, 20 pints to 20 pint to, wait, 20 pints to milliliters. I think this is,
Do I have to multiply all this?
yeah, so to multiply this, always use this
Oh,
number.
good lord.
Mm. Oh my god, like device. So 20 pints equal to how many milliliter? Milliliter.
We don't need to do the zeros, do we?
Zero will shift one. I will shift one decimal.
Zero, zero, zero,
It have to be like
zero, zero, zero,
3
zero, 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 plus
473.
6,
Oh shoot.
9, 18,
Mm-hmm.
6, 18, 9. And I have to put a decimal? Nah.
Now what is your answer? And then we can give the decimal after. So it's
Hold up.
4 7.
946.
Okay, 900, correct? 946.
No, 3
Four, three, four,
point 529.
529.
No. I was wrong. The decimal is in between 6 and 3.
Here,
Yeah.
and then
4.6.
4.6. Now, are you sure the decimal is here? That's the questions. This is 20, not 2, by the way. This is 20, not 2. This is 20. So, mhm. Your
I'm not sure. Stop it.
okay, so it's decimal. When you multiply here, like okay,
4, 7, 2, 1.
1,764,773 multiplied by 20. So when it starts with zero, it's always like zero, 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 zero. We don't care. So 2 times 3 is 6. Your answer is correct. So 6,492, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 9. And then this is 0 is one more 0 here. Now for the decimal now, how many digit after this decimal? One, two, three, four,
6.
five, six, right? So one, two, three, four, five, six here.
Are you
So
joking?
the decimal is at here.
3.5.
Is decimal is at here. So 9,464.52, something like that.
This feels like having the correct answer before you erased it and turned it in.
Okay, so this is how you
Wrap it up.
word it. Mhm. So
Let's wrap it up, please.
okay, let's wrap it up and okay,
Thank you.
yeah,
Thank
let's
you.
call it a day and
This
I
is the
see
proudest I've ever been of myself.
you.
Bye.
Okay, goodbye and see you next week.